Hey guys, welcome to Automate with Amit and myself Amit Tripathi, and we are going to now see what all the menus and what all the menu items which are present in Visual Studio. So let's get into the file menu. So once you click on file menu, we have new, open, clone repository, and so on. So new is basically used for creating new projects or new repository. um, we'll be seeing what are the repository and how we create basically, but just I am giving an overview of all the menu items and what we do with these menu items and why these are here. Okay, so repository basically to create new repository we use this. Then to create new file, so there are multiple types of files present in the Visual Studio. So like text file, HTML pages, and so on. There are multiple C# classes. So this we will be using very frequently. So C# classes also we are going to create. Then JSON classes, XML files, and so on. So there are multiple files, and we basically use this new file to create new files. Okay, so after that we have open. So in this basically we use to open different things like project or solution, whichever are. So right now we have created one solution and we have opened one project also, right? But if we have multiple solutions created in our system, then to open, just open, give go in open and project or solution. So you will be um, will be open, you will be seeing this window where from where basically you can select any of the solution and it will open. Just click on open and it will open that particular solution. Then add add is another thing, another option which we are going to use very frequently. So new project, so like if we want to add any new project to the solution, so just click on that and then just click on that and then file, add new project. So it is going to create a new project. We will be again landing up on add new project window. From there we need to select that template, project template basically. So in this case again, if we want to create any um, class library, so we are going to use that because we have used this .NET uh, .NET console application. So we will be using this class library. So if we search over here, so class library, so we will be using this. Once we use this, just click on next and we can give any name, project, demo project 2, and just click next and it is going to create a new project. So if we go here in Solution Explorer, we will be seeing two projects now getting created. So first one is demo project 1 and another one is demo project 2. Okay, so like that in add, we have existing project. So right now we have created altogether new project. But what if we want to import any existing project? So we use existing project for that, and existing website if we want to import. So we use this existing website. Close is basically to close this particular project, and the close solution will close complete solution. Star. Okay, so now we don't need anything of this. Okay, edit. Go to, basically there are multiple types of go to. So go to all, go to file. So basically what happens, we should be learning, or we should, uh, we should also memorize few of the important shortcuts, because it'll basically improve our or enhance our productivity. So we are going to learn those shortcuts also. So I'll tell you what are the most important shortcuts which any person should know. Okay, so find and replace, again, it is used to find a certain text and replace a certain text. Cut, remove, we all know that cut and remove are used for. Then view. So view basically is kind of uh, menu where all types of views are available. So like these are the view, right? This panel is also a type of view where solution explorer, get changes. So all those these panels you will be seeing over here in the view. Solution explorer is there, get changes, get repository, team explorer, server explorer. So team explorer is for it basically allows you to collaborate with using Team Foundation server. So Team Foundation server or Azure DevOps is basically Microsoft's tool, and this is this Visual Studio is also a tool of Microsoft. So they have explicitly given this Team Explorer through which we can collaborate using Azure DevOps or Team Foundation server. So again, Server Explorer, SQL Test Explorer is here displaying bookmark window. So there are multiple uh, windows available. So error list, you see over here at the bottom, we are having error list. So if your if your program has any compile time issues, so whatever compile time issues you have on your program is going to be displayed over here. Right now we don't have anything and any errors, so that's why it is displaying 0 errors. But if you have any compile time issues, it will be appearing over here. So after error, then output. Output is when your program gets executed. So whatever logs getting generated by your program will be appearing over here. So right now you see over here also we have output, and then task list. Um, so that is all related to view. So over here in the Git, so right now basically Git is a very popular tool, version control tool. That's why now Visual Studio has come up with integration of Git also, so where you can create clone any particular repository. So repository is nothing but um, wherever your code is kept, so that particular place is called as a repository. So like whatever code we are writing over here is getting stored in some files on our system in the form of folder structures. So that particular folder structure is called as repository on our local system. So if we want to clone that particular repository, then we use clone repository, or else we want to create new altogether new repository. So we use this local repository, which is available on our system. So to open that, open local repository, manage branches to manage different branch. We'll be learning that while we create branches. So in project, then again, we saw that how to add new project. So for that, it has new menu itself available for which is related to project. So in any project, we can create, we can add classes, add new data source like SQL or MongoDB or these kind of data sources. We can add and then add new item, add existing items. So all this we are going to see over here. Then edit project file, unload project. So we will be seeing all these, what we do with these all and wherever we require. So, okay, so till now, that was all for this video. We'll be seeing new or other menus in the next video. Till then, thank you.